Alright, hello. Welcome to the daily update, my 1000 days challenge. This is day 530, so let's get things started. Right, so first and foremost, the balance has a small change in terms of improvement-wise, purely based on experimental trade setup. What I mentioned on the main trading house setup, there's no new setup except the link which I'm in for long. Right now, it's sort of like a neutral kind of stage. I'm not sure if it's going to continue towards the upside or is it just going to continue towards the downside. So let's see how things goes. To me, consolidation is not necessarily a bad thing, especially for Link. And if we do consolidate over here, when we do break out towards the upside, that will in fact be a much stronger kind of break and more sustainable towards the upside of things. All right, otherwise, if we look across the board, a very nice continuation pattern for S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So we both found support and both of them found support, and then they are actually bouncing towards the upside currently towards the end of the day for yesterday itself. So that's a good sign. And today when the market opened, it actually continued towards the upside of things. So if you look into ASHR, things still looks to be a little bit of a neutral as if within the consolidation zone itself. Nothing to be too much of a particular concern about. And finally for KWEB itself, with a nice bounce, but still remain very much near the critical zone. I would prefer a much stronger bounce, but bearing in mind that actually a very good sign that people are actually cautiously buying into it. So hopefully it does gain some momentum and buying pressure does picks up, in which case it could cascade down a lot of more buyers coming back into the market, especially for China's tech stock itself. All right, and then finally for Bitcoin itself, so definitely there's a potential shift of momentum over here on the 4-hourly chart. So whether or not we'll transit to a daily chart is yet to be seen, but definitely there's a small little shift, especially we managed to break over here. The last time we managed to break over there, that was during the 21st December itself, in which case we rejected at the 200-day exponential and simple moving average itself. So right now, critical zone will definitely be at the 46.5K region itself. So you still have some gap where to go. So I'm definitely leaning towards the upside, but bear in mind that because tentatively as of this moment itself, there isn't a good setup. So this setup is no longer valid. I'll just remove this. So what I'm waiting over here is some sort of rejection over here at the moving averages itself, which is kind of expected. If it does actually fall back and retrace, hopefully we do find support at the 50 simple moving average and 20 exponential moving average on the 4-hourly chart, in which case a very nice break towards the upside. I will be keen to enter a long setup in that sense. Or alternatively, we have a very strong break above, found support over here, which is also near there, the 47, 48K region itself. I'll be keen to enter along with further break towards the upside. That's alternatively. But in any case, I would want it to be near there, near the 46K region itself, and see how price react with the moving averages before deciding whether or not it's a suitable entry. So yep, otherwise that's more or less about it. There's no new trading setup that I'm looking right now. And otherwise, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.